Lindsay Moore, a health coach living in Spartanburg, South Carolina. My blog, Just a Little Organic, or JALO for short, is where I share my passion for food, healthy living, and nature with friends and family. Now, thanks to Ingles, I'm going to cook with you. I'm going to show you step by step how to bring some of my favorites to your kitchen table, like my delicious barley pear salad. Go to inglestable.com to find out more. I'll see you there. All right, we're going to get started on making the barley pear salad. The first thing I'm going to do today is make the vinaigrette, and I'm going to make it all in this medium to large bowl, and this will be the place where we do everything. So we'll just go ahead and start here. I have some plain yogurt, a little bit of Dijon mustard, some lemon juice, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to put salt and pepper, and I'm actually going to go ahead and mix in my mint. You can do the mint either way. You can do it later or now. I like to just go ahead and make it in the vinaigrette so I don't have to mix twice or worry about if the mint gets everywhere. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, about a half a teaspoon of salt and a fourth a teaspoon of pepper. If you have cracked pepper, that's really good too. It'll add a little bit more depth than ground black pepper. We'll give it a stir, and then I'll put this mint in. This is fresh chopped mint. And it almost looks like a dip. It's going to be really creamy and delicious with this barley. Okay, now that that's done, we'll go ahead and come over to the barley. And barley is, you can cook it ahead and you can cook it according to package instructions, but barley is really great for lowering cholesterol, blood sugar, and it's really easy to cook. It's high in fiber. It's a cereal grain, and so it has gluten, but it's also really good for you. So I'll put in about 3 cups of cooked barley, and I've let it cool too. That's a good point. Make sure that it's cooled before you put it in here. I'm actually going to use this spoon. Give it a stir. And then I'm also going to stir in 1 chopped pear. You can do 1 or 2 depending on how much you like pear. It doesn't matter what color either. So however you like it, give it a good stir. And then be sure to taste and season for maybe if you want salt or pepper or a little bit more mint. Just give it a little taste. And that's all we're going to do right now, because now it's time to assemble the bowls. So I'm going to just set this aside and show you how I like to assemble. I like to start with a handful of arugula, and if you don't like arugula, you can change the grain, but I really like the spiciness of the arugula with this creamy barley and sweet pear. It's a nice contrast. And then you'll give each bowl a big scoop of the barley mixture. Make sure you get a bunch of pears and mint, and make sure everybody gets all the good stuff. And then you can top with some toasted almonds or pecans, but I like toasted almonds. I like almonds with blue cheese, which is my next topping. Totally optional. You don't have to add the blue cheese, but it's another bonus. And I'll put a few crumbles of blue cheese over each one. All right, here's my barley pear salad. We're all out of time for today, but I want to thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table. Remember, you can find this recipe, photos, videos, and more online at the website at inglestable.com. Until next time, I'll see you online.